everybody, and welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys are wondering how I get free baby stuff, and I'm here to share with you guys. Now, I've done a couple videos sharing with you guys how to get free baby stuff. I always love, getting as much free stuff as you can because, it adds up in the end. So what I ended up getting is I ended up getting an Enfamil box. I opened up the plastic. I haven't opened it up yet, but I did get a little envelope that has some checks in it. It's not much, but they ended up sending me a $10 Enfamil Inspire check, and it does expire of June, so I got a couple months to use that. And then I also have a $3 Enfamil check for I don't know if these are checks or coupons, but it's kind of used as a coupon. But then I got some with the other ones, and those expire in June also. So I got some checks to use for that. But let's just dig in and see what you guys can get. Now, what I did is I already joined Enfamil. I signed up saying I have a baby on the way, and I wasn't sure when we were gonna get this, because when I had Ben, my son, I got it a lot earlier, and I'm like, when are we going to get this? When are we going to get this? And this is the stuff that I actually enjoyed. We liked using the Enfamil brand the best with my son, and I always got more samples with Enfamil than anything else, like the hospitals. I feel like they give you more of that stuff. But I'm like, when are they going to send us something? When are they going to send us something? And I finally got this, and the husband's like, open it up. And I'm like, no, I want to share with you guys what I get before he helps himself. So here we got, just inside the box right here, what they do is they give you these, I think these coupons are kind of dumb, but they give you coupons, and then here they give you like a whole book of information about formula. Now I'm gonna try, my son didn't breastfeed very often, he didn't latch very often, so I pretty much pumped, but when I did not have enough, I gave them formula, or I topped them off with formula, or if we were in a spot where we needed it, I got it. So I was really happy with Enfamil. So here, they just gave me some samples. Now, I remember last time they gave me more samples than this, but I will take what I got. Here is the Enfamil Nuo Pro Gentle Ease. I used a lot of this stuff. This is for fussiness, gas, and crying babies in 24 hours. I was very happy with this one. So this is a sample. It doesn't expire. I'm doing this video in April. This doesn't expire till December 2020. So I got a whole year to use this. And then they give you a really good big sample of the regular formula. Now, this is a full-size sample that you guys can actually get at a store if you went to go buy it. This doesn't expire till September 2020, so I still got a year and a half to use this also. But it does say sample for people who do try to sell it. I'm not going to sell it. I will be using this, but got these two samples, which I'm pretty excited about. So all you guys just do is go to Enfamil, sign up saying you're having a baby, or sign somebody else up, and they'll get some free samples. I'm gonna try to get some more stuff after she's born, and I will let you guys know. But they'll send you coupons and checks all throughout their first year. But definitely wanted to just show you guys some more easy freebies in case you guys are interested. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if I miss anything, if for other freebies for babies, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.